Hi, my name is Hannah Jensen Fox. I'm an artist living here in Redcliffe, Christchurch. Welcome to my studio. I call myself a paint carver. The whole idea of carving into paint is building it up first. So I build up to 80 layers. At least 20 layers per colour is built over time. Over months, let's say months, let's call it. The reality is it takes months to lay a board. And then I'm carving back through the layers using different pressures, or carving once or twice and revealing the different colours. Growing up, I always wanted to be an artist, and it wasn't until probably around 14 where I thought I can do this. So I just dived really into the arts at school and then went straight to university to do art. One of the students was working at Resene and she told me about the architectural paint. I could go there and I could pick from all these shelves of architectural paint. And Lumbersider, I think it was mainly Lumbersider at the time. Like I tried Xylon 20, which was like a little more matte-based kind of paint. Finding out what paint worked and what didn't, enamels and acrylics and how long to dry and pour and layer and what it took. So I'm still using that technique today from 2003. I've just finished a beautiful toucan work with these amazing palm leaves, and that is currently in the studio waiting to be picked up. On the desk, I've got a woodpecker surrounded by compass and echinacea, and it's a wonderful family that flew to New Zealand for a holiday and came to visit me and picked this concept out when they were here in the studio. Behind me is a beautiful passion work of mine. My original idea was actually just to do one big humpback whale, but since having my daughter, I now am doing a humpback whale and a calf. But it's also a celebration of what we can do once we come together and actually protect our oceans. Every country is represented by a flower. That ocean connects every single continent of the world, and I think together we can do better. Most of my works end up in the US at the moment. Europe, Germany, Dubai, Hong Kong, Australia, obviously New Zealand too, which is pretty, 22 years ago I didn't have an audience. It's just taken 2 decades to get here. And I just think chipping away can actually be so rewarding sometimes, as showing up each day, and then you get the results. So having used Resene now for over 2 decades, it is like carving into butter. It's so beautiful. It's also Resene Lumbersider that comes in all the colours, and I still love their product. I feel like I've only just gotten started. I feel like there's so much more space to expand and share and grow, teaching and sharing it to others so they can take it on and really get excited about carving into paint. I love heading to my favourite Resene store. Dave and Jan always look after me so well, and I just, walk in there, I feel like like one of the locals. And they always ask after me and what I'm doing in my life, which is great. That's the gift of being the artist now, is I can get to choose all the colours that I want.